It is 2021-04-09 12/27. It's in the bathroom upstairs. This is me, Bodin, address 528 Beau Drive, checking the water pressure, as it has been an issue lately. I think this is maybe water pressure, and it's been coming out of this faucet with both heads way too slow, and it's significantly decreased in the last, I don't know, month or so, or by a small amount. Today from yesterday, I've seen a noticeable difference enough to where this video is warranted. So here's the test. As you can see, it comes out steadily, but it's a very small, not taking up much area amount. And this shows the actual faucet head size compared to the actual output. And here's the faucet head size again. If it is blurry, apologies. I cannot actually see the camera. So that should hopefully display that there isn't any, that I can tell from my uneducated perspective, obstructions. Or for why it would only come out at that level. And here's the drain, looks fine. If I turn on the cold, it's the same issue. And you can really see that from the bird's eye view. And the back of it is unobstructed. Whereas in this, moves the drain, doesn't affect this at all. And here is the pipe. You have the yellow tape, the silicone. Well, actually, I think this is the silicone tape I got from China that has worked great. No non-stick, wraps around itself, stops small leaks. The plumber left that on because it seemed like it was fine. I didn't do anything else though besides that. I tried touching these yesterday and see if that would actually change that, but it didn't, so I put it back. I think these two were for the proportion of heat and cold, not having anything to do with the actual throughput of the faucet. And I don't want to touch anything else because that just wouldn't be appropriate. So this is the 2021-04-09 update on the faucet, because I just have a feeling it is going to be it'll just stop working at all any day now.